How to fix message sent before this device was added to this conversation. This message cannot be delivered. So if you want to fix message sent before this device was added to this conversation, this message cannot be delivered, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. Now, this problem can occur due to the encryption features of Messenger, and there are a few solutions on how we can go ahead and fix this. So first things first, you want to restart your mobile device because this can affect some minor issues and minor glitches happening with your device. And for the second solution, you just need to simply go and update your Messenger. So open up your Play Store. Once you open it up, now you just need to simply go with search. And here on the upper right, you just need to simply search for Messenger. Once you search, if you have any updates under your Messenger, you just need to simply go with update, and you need to update the Messenger application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Messenger application. Go with the app info and go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.